Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best coagulated blood gel on the market, the MEICOLY Quality Updated Halloween Coagulated Blood. Whether you're into special effects makeup for film, cosplay, or Halloween, this product promises to bring your wounds, cuts, and gashes to life with hyper-realistic detail. The MEICOLY Coagulated Blood Gel is designed to give you that authentic, thick, clotted blood effect that really sets your special effects apart. What makes it stand out is the elevated quality of the gel itself. It doesn't fade over time and it's easy to mold and shape. This allows you to create incredibly realistic wounds such as deep cuts, slit throats, or even realistic slit wrist effects. The gel can be easily manipulated, giving you full control over your creation so you can add dimension and texture that truly mimic real coagulated blood. Safety is a big concern when it comes to products applied directly on skin, and MEICOLY has taken this seriously. The coagulated blood gel is made with non-toxic ingredients including water, CMC, carmine, citric acid, and potassium sorbate. This means it's safe for your skin, though it's important to avoid ingesting it because of the food coloring used to give it its vivid, realistic red shade. Cleaning up after using this fake blood gel is straightforward but requires a bit of attention. The gel can be washed off with soap and water. Initially, it might leave a slight red tint due to the food coloring, so a second wash is usually necessary to fully remove any residue. This makes it a convenient option for repeated use or quick costume changes. One of the unique features included with this product is the black stipple sponge. This tool is specifically designed to help you create additional special effects such as scratches, bruises, and splashes that complement the coagulated blood gel. Using the stipple sponge along with the gel allows you to build layers and textures that can simulate everything from minor scratches to severe trauma, making your makeup look even more convincing. The package itself is compact, containing 30 grams or 1.06 ounces of the coagulated blood gel along with the stipple sponge. It's packaged in a secure bottle with a sealing design to prevent leaks or unwanted flow, making it easy to transport and store. This kit provides everything you need to start creating realistic wounds right away without the hassle of buying extra tools. Overall, the MEICOLY Coagulated Blood Gel Kit is ideal for anyone looking to achieve professional-level special effects makeup. Whether you're a makeup artist, cosplayer, or just getting creative for Halloween, this product offers great flexibility, safety, and realism. Its ability to hold shape, combined with the included sponge, means your wounds will have depth and authenticity that's hard to beat. If you want a product that's easy to work with, safe on skin, and delivers impressive, realistic coagulated blood effects, MEICOLY's Coagulated Blood Gel Kit should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Product Critique. And be sure to check out this amazing coagulated blood gel for your next SFX project or costume transformation. See you next time.